from start to finish earth anchors install. Over time, the soil surrounding your foundation builds up constant lateral pressure. When that pressure has nowhere to go, it pushes against your walls, causing them to crack, bow, or lean inward.
That's where we step in.
Solid solution starts from the ground up. That's why we started by excavating 2 anchor locations first. From there, we performed horizontal drilling from the inside of the wall into stable and undisturbed soil, creating a path to ground that can properly hold resistance. Now it's time to install 2 earth anchors. Each anchor is then connected back to the foundation wall using a steel all-thread rod and wall plate system, creating a direct line of support.
Meanwhile, outside,
once everything is aligned, we begin tightening the system to shift the pressure into the anchors. This step is critical. It's what actively stabilizes the walls and prevents further inward movement. With the system in place, we move into the final phase, preparing the area for the concrete. Concrete is being placed around the anchor plates to lock everything into position and stabilize the foundation wall. area is backfilled and restored, leaving behind a system built for long-term stability.
This isn't just a temporary fix.
Extra dirt displaced by the concrete can be used to grade around the home. Earth anchors are a proven solution to stop wall movement and protect your home's foundation for years to come. The workspace is cleaned and leveled to ensure a solid finish. To complete the installation, we installed the interior plate and removed any excess all thread. And finally, we apply epoxy for added protection, helping prevent water seepage.
This home is now protected and backed by our 10-year warranty.
Don't forget to follow us on our social medias. We post educational videos every day.